Did you see my last video about the Cardano giveaway scam that runs on YouTube? The point was that YouTube is allowing that. I'm watching some of those YouTube cryptocurrency videos. There's some nice channels. One of them is run by Adam Shelton, a nice guy, so hype and very entertaining.
What we're gonna use to sync everything together. Boom, 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 boom.
His channel is mostly devoted to Shiba Inu coin and Shiba Inu swap. I just like his energy. He's so committed to Shiba. And he's so pushing that Shiba that I have some like 50 million Shiba coins, but they're not moving. Since July 1st when I got it, they're not moving. They're mostly going down. It's not moving. So a couple times I post on his videos a comment. I said, buddy, drop that Shiba bullshit. It ain't doing shit. So in one of the videos I told him, drop Shiba, get for $200, get yourself a Safe Moon and devote your energy to Safe Moon, not that useless Shiba. He kind of clicked, and liked the comment, whatever, says thank you. But in his next video, like it was, I think, Wednesday morning, he posted his portfolio. And look at that. He has Safe Moon and Everrise. Those are coins that I suggested in my top 5 coins. So I said, did he see my video and he got those coins? That would be, like nice. He now took my advice from the guy that knows nothing about this topic. And I posted something like, good job, buddy, getting Safe Moon. That afternoon, it was somewhere about 4 or 5 o'clock, message pops up on my phone that there's a reply from Adam Shelton on my comment. So he commented my comment. Let's see what is it. So he wants me to contact him on WhatsApp and chat. I said, great, we're becoming buddies. So I, plug the phone in, plug this number in WhatsApp, and we start chatting. So check it out, August 25th, that was Wednesday. I type, send a message, yo buddy, it's Mr. Wegas replying to your message. He goes, hey man, how is it going? I say, rolling. He goes, thoughts on a video, except from getting Safe Moon. He wants me to comment his video, and mentioning this, that I told him to get a Safe Moon. I said, it's okay, and you're doing good job with your energy and stuff. So we continue, and he was like, thanks, brother, like, we're building some relationship here. And then he turns into something like, currently Bitcoin is bullshit, not just for holding. Then he gives some opinion on Bitcoin and stuff like that. I said, I got Safe Moon for 200, it's just little gamble. So then he turns into this on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And he said, I have something interesting for you. I said, I don't have much money to gamble, so I got, Safe Moon for $200. He goes, 200 can get you a lot. So now check this. I am helping only 50 of my subscribers to make over 99% profit diversifying their portfolio this month in crypto, most especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, as they are the best performing crypto currently. This moment, something popped out in my head. First, this guy is no expert that is able to help his subscribers. Immediately I said, something is wrong here. Alarm. Alarm. I said, this must be one of those scams. Now he's gonna ask me to invest with him. Then I said, I'm not a subscriber. That was me just, buying time. Didn't know what to answer. What happened here is I switched to YouTube because I remember when I watched that this morning, the video with that Adam's portfolio, he said he will have in the evening, he will have like 5-6 o'clock or something, he will have a live session on YouTube. I checked, and there he is, talking live on YouTube. So how is it possible that he can chat with me and talk live on his YouTube channel? This is a scam. So that is Adam live as we speak, streaming on YouTube. And there he is on WhatsApp chatting with me. So I have to fuck with this guy now. So he has a deal. He's helping 50 of his subscribers to make 99% profit, diversifying their portfolio. This is gonna be a good one. We're gonna have fun with this. So I told him I'm not a subscriber. What the fucking scams. You cannot trust anybody anymore. So now I'm asking him, what's your last name? And then, do I need to be a subscriber? So that's gonna, get him back. Not answering. That's funny. Took him 5 minutes to look up the Shelton last name. Unbelievable. And then here we go. If you are ready with 200 to make over 1600, which is the best plan, you can as well put in lower capital or what you have at the moment. Signing up for the investment plan also grants you a membership in the silver membership team. Let me know if you're interested. So now I'm for sure, this confirmed to me it's a scam. It's gonna be, give us some your coins, we're gonna invest for you and stuff like that. So then I go, what team? Like, silver membership team. What team? Like I'm dumb. So the point is, I trapped the guy to tell me his last name, Adam Shelton. Here we go. And Adam Shelton, as we speak, right now, real Adam Shelton, hopefully real, because you don't know anymore, on YouTube, has a live stream.
We will complete this task this year as it fits with other interlocking components of the ecosystem, like Shiba, like Leash, like some other ones.
So that's the live stream. And I'm chatting with the guy with the same name. He goes, team of high earners. So these people are so skillful, to go under your skin, team of high earners. Who would be stupid to say, I don't want to be high earner, He goes, it's a process. I saw, oh yes, I said, then I'm a dummy. Is there a meeting for that or some training? Come on, buddy, come on. Start giving me details. He goes, no training. Then I go, what is it? I'm gonna mess with this guy now. I don't know, can I even record? How much I can record on this phone? Do you have those spreadsheets? Spreadsheets, come on, buddy. Say yes. So how this started, I got an email saying, pinned by Adam Shelton. Call me on WhatsApp. How's that possible? And if you go to YouTube page, you can see that it's there. But it's on many, see, it's on many of these replies. Do you have those spreadsheets? I just make that up. He goes, firstly, I will recommend a choice platform for you where we'll be able to secure maximum market gains regardless of your entry. I said, He goes, I'm a stakeholder of that platform. So his stakeholder, he's investor there and maybe part owner of that business. I go like, what platform? He goes, we will actively trade on CoinDegree trading. Sign up for free and get back to me. I said, okay. Then I wanted to buy some time, and I said, I need my laptop when I get back home, so like I'm not at home right now. Okay, this is, I like it. It's gonna be interesting, serious. This is gonna be fun. So I said, I need my laptop when I get back home. So I'm gonna leave this guy hanging for a while. He said, that's okay, get back to me when you can. Yeah, sure. So give him hope, there's a new something. But we have to investigate this. I have to connect to this real Adam Shelton and see what's up with this. This is YouTube. I'm gonna sue YouTube for lack of security and for propagating all these scams, for enabling all these scams. And I'm gonna sue them. I don't know how. I don't have lawyers around me, but I'm gonna start something. I'm gonna go to, I don't know, fundraiser. Yeah, that's what we're gonna give. Well, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do fundraiser, like one of those give me money online for good thing, to sue YouTube. And I hope people go fund me, that's gonna be. And I hope people support this, because we're gonna need some big fees for some big lawyers. There are lawyers that are specialists for suing Facebook and YouTube. Even it's hard to do it, but we're gonna do it. So we go to Adam Shelton channel.
I'm not Brandon. I was saying I mine crypto. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. And that's the thing. Doge did it. And I think that, the prediction of Shiba could be off the roof. I know the market cap is a gazillion. I know it's big, but I just feel like Shiba has got amazing potential. And then with the Shiba swap, the Shiba ecosystem, the Ryoshi vision, the Bone and Leash, we're just reading about how strong like this Shibarian is going to be, like what it's supposed to be, you know. And I don't know if I'm saying it right, Shibarian, but I'm curious about when this is going to be happening. And it's Shy, that's big here, and then ShibCon, you know, all this stuff, ShibNet. I mean, it's a lot of stuff coming in the pipeline. And I think what it is just it's just not happening soon that what people want. But honestly, man, how you make your profits are what you're doing today. And then your profits is going to happen 6 months along. Oh, somebody's saying it's you. I was chatting with somebody. Oh, no, it's not me. And there are scams out there, man, on videos and stuff, man. People are doing scams. It's definitely scams out there, man. They pegging, yeah, they are. They're pretending like it's me. It's not me. I definitely won't ask for like money or actually the WhatsApp. It's all over your video. Which one is it? Which one video is it? It's all over your video. Yeah, I gotta go clean that up. Man, I'll clean it up afterwards. It's everywhere. I know. Can you explain? Let me go back here. Yes, I gotta get into that. I think it's a problem with YouTube is that they're allowing these scams here. After this here, I'm gonna go and at the one from this morning.
It remains
yeah,
the same.
man, I'm gonna clean
the
these.
price. The price went down.
I'm gonna actually
and
let
so
me go
the
to
total
one.
value is down.
Delete. I delete. Okay. Oh, I see what you mean, man. Yep. I'm just removing them right now. Thank you for watching. Yeah, that's not me, man. Wow, you're right here. I'm getting rid of them right now. Just 1 minute. I'm removing the scams, basically. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm removing some of these scams. I'm gonna try to block them as well. And because I'm not on WhatsApp, because they got these WhatsApp on here. Dang, you're right. Every message. Thanks for telling me about this. I'm going to pay more attention to this. Man, this is crazy. All these scams on here. Man, because so many people comment on there. And I'm going to get back to the comments, but this is crazy. Almost done. I'm just erasing the scams from the video this morning. Almost done with them. Looks like, okay. Thank you. I just erased them all. And then you can buy it on here. Let me see here. So that's how you do it. I was trying, okay, here it is. There you guys can see it there.
So this is the site